Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. Also, I'm still laying in bed and it's like 10 o'clock, even though I had an alarm to wake up this morning at 7:30. I thought today I would film a day in the life with me. Sundays are always super busy for me just because tomorrow is Monday and I have school, and so I have a lot of homework over the weekend and I typically put it all off until Sunday. Today I'm gonna go to the library. I'm probably gonna go to Starbucks to get coffee, but I just need to get out of the house because I know I won't be productive if I'm at home. Plus I have overdue library books. So I'm just gonna take you guys over. No.
One eternity later.
I'm just gonna take you guys through my Sunday and you'll see what I do for school and how I get ready for life. Also, I'm wearing a Hamilton hoodie, so shout out to Parker because he was the one that let me borrow it. Such a cutie. I'm gonna go upstairs now and get breakfast. Also, don't pay mind to these two spots. Freaking out like crazy. Ow. Oh my god. I'm a mess. You're so cute. I miss these. Look at your legs. They look broken. This is big. You're living life right, little monkey. I really want avocado toast right now, but there's no toast. And the avocado that we do have is hard, so. Oatmeal it is. I just brushed my teeth and I washed my face and I put on some pants. So, hey. I'm about to put on some makeup just so that I look a little bit more presentable. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup. The library doesn't open until 1 o'clock and right now it is 11:22, so I have a couple hours to spare until I go there and start studying. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my room because I have this huge mountain of clothes. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I get ready because cool. About an hour. It's 12 o'clock right now and I'm sneezing like crazy. I feel like my allergies or something is going on because I cannot stop sneezing. I'm gonna do a little bit of laundry before I have to go because once, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Because once I'm out of the house, I probably won't come back until like a couple of hours.
I'm in my car now. It's like 3 o'clock. I was at the library for like 2 hours. And the reason why I'm filming on my phone is because my camera died. Also, that was the most awkward experience I've ever been in. Oh my gosh. I didn't like any part of that. There was a guy sitting right behind me, and like every single time I would turn on the camera, it would like click. It makes like this clicking sound, and it's so embarrassing. I don't know how people vlog in public, and yikes. I'm kind of upset because my brother called me while I was in there, and so did my dad. And my mom knew I was going to the library, so I don't know why they tried calling me, knowing that at the library you can't really pick up your phone and everything has to be like super silent. That's why it made everything super awkward when I tried to film. Anyways, so my brother called me to try to ask me if I wanted food. I couldn't pick up the phone, so I had to text him. And when he saw the text messages from me, he already bought the food. So everyone's at home eating good, and I'm here in the cold. Haven't eaten lunch, and it's already like 3. It's kind of really late. I got a lot of stuff done. I didn't think it would take me that long to do. Honestly, I did one assignment and half of the other. I didn't do anything. I didn't get anything done. Okay, well, now I have to go home and do more stuff, so. Obviously, you can tell I'm home. Now I feel so lazy because my tummy is full and I just want to take a nap, but I know that I can't take a nap because if I do, then I'll wake up at like 9 o'clock at night and I'll just hate the fact that I took a nap. So, instead of doing that, I am angrily going to read my textbook now. This is my Java programming textbook, and I have my Java programming 1 class tomorrow. So I have to read chapter 5. I didn't read chapter 4 last week, so I think I'm gonna try to read chapter 4 and 5. Even though I don't want to do that. I just submitted my last assignment for my JavaScript class. That's what I was working on in the library. I don't think I ever told you guys, but I was working on my assignments for JavaScript. Even though I technically was already taking JavaScript in my web development class, my program that I'm a part of wanted us to take it again just as a refresher, and I'm not excited for this week. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I have a presentation, I have a speech to make. Rose comes into town on Friday, so I'm super excited for just Friday to come. I just need the weekend to come again. And my mom is screaming in the other room talking to family from Argentina right now, so that's probably what you're hearing. If you're like, what the heck, who's talking? That's my mother. Sundays, they're the best. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here, and yes, I am using the refrigerator light to light me right now, and I gotta say, it's pretty good lighting. I'm going to finish off my meal prepping and just put everything in the refrigerator, take off my makeup, brush my teeth, get ready for bed, and start the week. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. Also, click on the bell notification so you are notified every single time I make a video. I upload every single Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.